In primetime news this evening, shooting spree, 3 killed in bloody night in Clarendon. Stolen meat, cops warn farmers and shoppers as spray their larceny up ahead of holidays. And what of Petrojam? Cabinet to make a decision on oil refinery's future next year.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your views on a third telecoms provider entering the market?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.